Today we are solving the graphics activity of November 2024 past paper. To know the scenario, we will go to page number 3. Let's read the scenario. It says Leandro owns Paperbase, a stationery company based in UK that sells stationery online. And after that, they have given the company's contact information like address, phone number, email, and website address. Let's start the task A1, which is in section A. Task A1A says Leandro wants you to create logo using sketch provided. Open the document logo sketch. The logo sketch is given by Edexcel in the data files. So we will open the logo sketch. It looks like this, where we can see that in the red font it's written paper base. There is a curve in yellow and we have a house shape, and then there is a writing pad. Let's read task A1A. Create the logo based on Leandro's sketch. The logo must be fit for the purpose and match the sketch to include red outline, blue text on the notepad colors, yellow fill for the background, and solid yellow fill under the company name. It's a 6-mark question, and then we will be saving the logo as PB space logo. As you know that we create logo for Edexcel tasks in presentation software, which is Microsoft PowerPoint. Make sure that when you are creating the logo, you have selected the blank layout, that there is no placeholder. Let's see the sketch again. We are going to insert a shape where we have to perform minimum editing. So I am going to take this arrow shape, and you can see these lines are pointing downwards. So we are going to go to edit points. So go to edit shape, take edit points and drag these points downward. You can increase the width of the shape. Then we are going to fill the shape with yellow color. So go to fill shape, take the yellow color, and at the same time you can pick shape outline color, which is red. I'll make the outline more thick. So let me select the red color again. Okay. Now we are going to make the text paper base in a curve. So let's go to insert, word art, and write over here paper base. Then we are going to choose the text effects, go to transform and choose the curved one. Once you are happy with the curve, you can adjust it above the heart shape. And the color they have suggested is red. So text fill is going to be red. Then we are going to insert a shape which is curve, and we are going to try to make a very smooth curve. So go to insert, select the curve, make a smooth curve, I'll take this line as my reference point and try to go to the center of the line and bring the curve down like this and double click here. See, you have designed a curve that we are going to use under the paper-based text. We are going to change the color again to red and increase the thickness to about 4.5. If you are not happy with the curve, you can make it smaller or bigger based on your preference. You can go to the edit points at any time to make it more flatter if you want. Now we are going to make the writing pad, the notepad. For that, you can see they have used a circle and a rectangle to make a cylinder shape, and then there are two rectangles which are used as the papers. So let's go to the shapes again and select a circle, and I'm going to select the rectangle shape also, and then we are going to adjust these two shapes. It's a good idea to make it bigger so your shape becomes more clear. Okay, you can see the circle has gone at the back, so I'm going to bring it at the front, and the circle is going to be black in fill and the cylinder rectangle is going to be red in color. It's a good idea to keep the boundary black because in the design also they have kept it black in color. So we are going to make it black boundary, shape outline and make it black. Even for the circle, shape outline black. Then we are going to select a rectangle shape again. Then rotate it to align with your notepad and then move it down. This is fine, but we will see. Okay, that looks fine. We are going to change the fill color and the boundary color also. So go to fill shape, make it white. Go to shape outline and make it black. I'm going to copy the same rectangle and will overlap it. Then I'm going to make it a bit smaller. So let's move it to the right side a little. Then we are going to go to the edit points again. Let's go to the format shape. Let's go to edit points and I'm going to move it bit inward like that. to give it the same shape. Okay, then the last thing which is left is the text notepad. I'm going to add notepad. Is it notepad or notes? It's written notes. So we will be writing notes here. The color is already specified, which is blue. It's written in the paper instructions. So I'm going to choose any blue color. Then we are going to rotate the text. And we will go to transform and choose this form. All right. Now I'm going to move the notepad and I'm going to place it on it. But for this reason, I have to make it a little bigger. So all the components of my notepad, they can fit properly. Let me group it. Now you can see that the logo has been created according to the given instructions. Now it's time to save it. I'm going to right click after the selection of all the shapes, group. Now what is the benefit of grouping? You can move around the page easily. And now it's time to save. You can right click on the grouped shape and select save the picture as. Go to the desktop and your work area and save it as pb space logo and choose the portable network graphics format or png. It's always a good idea to keep your work organized and saved in your work area. So for instance, this is our work area. I'm going to save it and yes. You can see that it has been saved.